What are you wearing? Greg, this is a good look for you.
What is going on?
These amethysts, they're all from Earth. They're from the prime kindergarten. Wait, hey, 8XL!
Yeah?
You guys, I'm in 8. Tell him.
The amethyst under me never popped out. We were all waiting and nothing.
I'm 8XM, Fast and 5, cut 8XM, that's me! This is 8XG, this is 8XH.
I'm Jay.
Oh, jeez, sorry, I'm worse than Holly Blue.
Aren't we all?
Prime. You amethysts are so cliquey.
Skinny's at Jasper. There are chums here from the baby kindergarten, too. Hey, where's Carnelian?
Celebrating.
I'm not the shortest anymore!
This is unreal.
Hey! Please, if you don't mind me asking, we really need your help. We came in with Sapphire, Ruby, and Pearl. We've got to find him and get out of here.
It'll only be a moment. What are you all doing in here? Get to your stations! Even you hideous off-color betas, get out of your cubbies and into your places! It's the least you can do for the diamond that kept your worthless, sorry gems in service. That's right, Blue is back already! Now go pretend your filthy vein of quartz is capable of gratitude! Go! Disperse, my diamond is waiting!
Run, just run. We'll find you. Go!
If you want more awesome stuff like this, click the subscribe button.
We are the crystal gems.